Good morning. So the response has been really amazing with the last video that I posted on my YouTube channel. So I want to continue to give you guys content, even silly little things, things that maybe I find simple. I know that we're not all on the same level. So if there's anything you guys want to see, just shoot me a message in my mentoring group, Whimsy Waifs with Kelly Robitaille, or send me an email or, shoot me a message on Facebook and let me know what, even in the comments below, let me know what you want to see. So I'm going to show you quickly how I changed the colors in Photoshop. I'm just asking that you bear with me because it's a PA day here and I have my kids home and my cat, we have a new kitten and she's going crazy. So, and I have a cold, so hopefully I'm not hacking in your ears. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to change her lip color. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit L, which puts me on the lasso tool, and I'm going to just select her mouth. Then I'm going to go over to Hue Saturation and click Colorize. And I like the blue. I'm not sure because we have all this fallout here because I selected so much around the lips. So what I'm doing is adding a mask to my Hue Saturation. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to hit B, raise my opacity of my brush right up to 100%, change my brush to white using X. You can see you can flip back and forth between your fore and background colors. So I want my foreground color to be white. Whoops, sorry, I want it to be black. And I'm just going to go in and mask out all of the fallout around her lips. Don't mind snoring either. I have a pug and he's below my feet and he's snoring like crazy. I didn't think that through before I decided to tape this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is lower my opacity way down. So I've got it at 13%. And I'm just going to go in and touch up some of these spots where the red from her lip is showing through. This is a really easy way to change colors in Photoshop, but it's definitely impactful. Now, say I don't like this color, I want to darken it, I can go back into my layers and make it darker. You can also play with your saturation. I can completely change the color. The green's kind of neat actually. So at this point you can just play with your sliders, get it to a point where you are happy with it. And yeah, it's a really easy fix. Sometimes I think that there's a certain aesthetic I want in terms of makeup or costume, and then once I get it into Photoshop and I start playing with it, I have to change it. It just doesn't sit with me the way I want it to. So yeah, so there's a quick little video on how to change colors in Photoshop. There is the before and the after. I think I really like the after. So yeah, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to put those below and reach out in any way, Facebook, Instagram, website on here. Let me know what you want to see more of, and I will start putting out more content. Thanks for putting up with my my sick face. All right, bye bye.